The Khormiz Castle is one of the most valuable castles in Mehriz, dating back to 1,600 years ago. This castle was the location of deployment for soldiers and guards and equipment maintenances. It is located on a hill at a height of 5 meters. Clay and stone are the main materials of the building of this castle. The lower parts of the wall of the castle are made of stone, and the upper part of it is made of clay.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Hasti, and in today's video we are at Mehriz. Mehriz is part of Yazd county, and now we have Khormiz Castle. It is built in Sassanid era. Let's go! Unbelievable! Seriously? Seriously? Guys, as you see, the door was closed. So, we find the person in charge, we call him, and he's on the way. He's gonna be here around 20 minutes, something like that. Yes! Guys, an interesting thing about today is I'm wearing a hoodie. He's wearing a t-shirt. I mean, what's the problem? With which one?
6 watchtowers have been created around the castle. 4 towers exist in the quadrangle and 2 towers facing each other along the length of the castle, each with a height of 6 meters.
After 25 minutes, we're still here. He's not here and waiting. Where is he?
The entrance to the castle has 2 floors. The inner part has been rebuilt many times.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
There's a well on the left side of the castle named as Sangi. It is dug through the stones and I have no idea how they did such a thing.
Creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá.
This beautiful castle remains relatively healthy in comparison to other castles, and local people were living in there until 100 years ago.
Crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes. Seremos miles. Crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes.
Guys, they bake bread in it.
Más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá.
Okay guys, we are inside a cistern. It's really different and it's so big. Let's go.
And here we have a Qanat.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this place, and share and all these kind of things, you know. Okay guys, see you later, bye!